Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjin. Today I'm going to cook chicken soup Thai style. So I have 600 grams of chicken breast meat cut into bite size, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 8 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, 3 stalks of lemongrass, 3 inches snap of young galangal, 7 pieces of red bird eye chili, 2 inches snap of ginger. This is Assam Java leaf or tamarind leaf. This I plucked it from my garden. Saw leaf. And this is ginger's leaf and the stem. Also galangal stem. I will be using some lime juice and some water as well. This is going to be very quick and simple. So I like to start off with blanching the chicken first. I have water in the pot. So I'm going to switch on the heat and put in the chicken. All these herbs, right, the ginger's leaf and also the galangal stem, and some of the galangal that we cut we don't want to use, we can use it when we blanch the chicken. So all these herbs, it will give out a very nice fragrance. When blanching the chicken means we want to remove all this impurity from the chicken. So I'm just going to wait for another 1 more minute. Alright, when the chicken turns the color like that, I'm going to remove it from the pot. Put it here. I'm going to give it a rinse, then we can go and cook it. In the pot, I'm going to put in the water. So I'll be using about 650 ml of water. Switch on the heat, and we're going to put in all the herbs that we have. For the saw leaf, I'm just going to break it into half. Put in the salt. Put in the fish sauce. Put in the sugar. Give it a stir. And now I'm going to put in the chicken. This looks so good. Cover the lid and bring it to boil, and I will continue to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. 1 more minute to go. Let's check on it. Check. The chicken should be soft by now, because chicken breast meat, it cooks very quickly, right? So we just want to boil it until it becomes slightly soft. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, very delicious, but slightly lack of fish sauce. So I'm going to add in just about half tablespoon of fish sauce. And now we're going to put in the tamarind leaf. Oh, time's up also. Tamarind leaves is give out a bit of sourish taste. We're just going to taste it if it's enough sour with this amount of tamarind leaves. If it's not enough, then we're going to add in some lime juice. Oh, when we put in the tamarind leaves, the smell is so good. Just gonna taste it. Wow, so good. So I'm just going to put in just a little bit of lime juice. Just 1 piece of lime juice. You can taste it again. Wow, so good, so delicious and very authentic. It's slightly spicy, a bit of sour, Very nice fragrance of the Thai herbs. Perfect. And I still have some more of the saw leaf. I cut it into small pieces. Now I'm going to sprinkle on it. That's it. It's ready. Chicken soup Thai style. Very simple to cook, and this is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. This kind of soup is best to serve immediately once it's cooked, because normally eat hot soup will be nice, right? And one more thing, this is called Nam Chim Jao, or the authentic Thai chili dip. This is best served with this kind of chicken soup. That's it. So I'm going to take a piece of chicken and more soup. Wow, the chicken is soft and tender and very tasty. It's so delicious. It is very appetizing. The soup is very clear and has very nice fragrance of all the herbs that we put in, and it's very appetizing. A bit of sour, tangy, then the sweetness of the chicken come out, and it's a very mild heat, like a ghost of the chili, because the chili was not smashed. Really appetizing. I love it. You should give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.